Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Brix Rod new update using an easy method. First, let's dive into understanding the recent game changes. It is crucial to know what the update entails and how it impacts item acquisition. We will then pinpoint the most straightforward path to securing this valuable item. Preparing your inventory and character for the journey ahead will save you much time and effort. This simple approach ensures a smooth and successful experience for everyone. Now, let's walk through the exact steps. Begin by completing the Ancient Relics questline, which consists of 3 main stages. This quest will guide you through the initial requirements. Next, focus on gathering 5 unique crafting components found in the newly accessible zones. These components are essential for the final assembly. Once you have all 5, locate the Master Artisan non-player character in the central hub. They hold the key to your next step. To make your journey even smoother, consider optimizing your efforts. Engage in the weekly challenge event. It offers a 20% bonus chance for rare component drops. If you are missing any specific materials, the in-game trading post allows for quick exchanges with fellow players. Remember to claim your daily login rewards, as they often include valuable resources or experience boosts. These strategies can significantly reduce the time needed to acquire your Brix Rod. Finally, it is time to claim your reward. Head to the Forge of Legends crafting station, located near the Master Artisan. With all your components and quest steps complete, you can now craft your very own Brix Rod. Equip this powerful new item immediately to experience its unique abilities and enhance statistics. Do not forget to explore the 2 new zones that have opened up, offering fresh challenges and exciting discoveries. Enjoy your new Brix Rod.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.